How to understand a subject using only rules without lectures. Legal reasoning involves knowing the statutes or case law applicable to a particular issue, understanding the related theories, and applying them to the facts. But each subject has its own internal structure, and you need to understand where each issue and rule fits within that structure to make accurate and efficient judgments. Lectures are one tool that helps you understand this structure. But here, I'll share how I understood subjects and solved problems without using bar prep at all. 1. Understanding the outline of a subject. I uploaded the entire outline into GPT and used a prompt like, "Explain the overall structure based on the outline below." This helped me get a feel for the general meaning of each section. Whenever a section felt too unfamiliar, I asked GPT, "Using this outline, please explain the concepts in a simple way." 2. Understanding the rules. Even after understanding the outline, you still need to grasp each individual issue. If a rule didn't make sense, I asked GPT to explain the rule in detail, or explain how this rule applies using a simple hypothetical. By repeatedly understanding rules in context, I kept reinforcing where each one belonged within the outline. 3. Memorizing the outline. I heard that memorizing the outline helps prevent issue-spotting mistakes on the exam. So I memorized the full outline for important areas, and only the major headings for the less important ones. 4. Practicing questions. Once I had a grasp of the overall outline structure, I started solving MBE and essay questions, and suddenly many concepts made sense within the bigger picture. When similar rules from different subjects or overlapping concepts within the same subject confused me, I referred back to the outline and asked GPT to compare the concepts so I could understand them more clearly. 5. Conclusion. We are not studying for academic research. We are preparing for an exam. If you don't have much time, this approach can still help you master each subject efficiently.